Not that long ago, a bird did run into my window and die right in front of my eyes, and that was not awesome. Outside because it's a beautiful day. This is how I look because I need to wash my hair really badly, but I wanted to open my Luisa package. I would like to thank them again for sponsoring a portion of today's video. They do have a huge Black Friday sale going on now, so if you have been eyeing some of their pieces, now is the time. As always, their stuff is packaged so nicely and the shipping is extremely fast. All of their jewelry has a 2-year warranty. They're also climate neutral certified, and all of their packaging is recyclable, and you can go on their website and read more about that. Ooh, I got these earrings. I'm so excited about these. I have a dress, I'll put a picture here, that goes perfectly with these. You can shower, go swimming, sweat, and all of these. Since it is right before the holiday, Luisa is literally the perfect gift to get because jewelry is one size fits all. You don't have to worry about not getting the right size. There are the earrings. How cute are those? I love those. I forgot to say what the earrings are called. These are the mini Kanoko marble blue drop earrings. I'm so excited about this one. I've kind of been eyeing this one for a while. This one is the Michelle Signet ring. Oh, I love this. I still have my Halloween nails on. I really do like a statement ring because then I feel like it makes it easy. You put just like the dainty little rings on all the other fingers, and this one is like the statement piece. I love this color green. I've been really liking this color lately. If you want to shop their Black Friday sale, it's only on for a limited time, and I will have a link in the description box for you to shop. Formally entered my old person era. Got these, they were only $10. If you're gonna do this, my recommendation is to not go to an actual pet store to get this stuff because it was like double the price. I got 2 of them, and then if they work well, I might get some more for the other windows. Oh, it just slides in like a drawer. Look at that. Don't have one of these on the front of your house. It's on my Amazon storefront. I don't actually know that it helps, but you know, at least you tried. You gave it your best effort.
But all 4 of us could get under that blanket. We didn't.
Many tic-tacs later.
Unfortunately, it's about that time I have to take the Halloween stuff down. I've ordered a bunch of stickers from Etsy. I'm gonna open those now and put them on my iPad. I've already got a few on here. This is gonna sound insane, but I like actually kind of measured and stuff to make sure they would all fit. And then I got a couple extras too. So this one is my merch sticker. If you want one, you can buy them in the link below. This I got from this like random game store. My boyfriend bought something there and then they gave us free stickers. These little tiny ones are actually from McDonald's. They're from their Crocs collab. I got a Happy Meal and they came with these little stickers. That is from Bean Goods. This one, I don't remember where this came from, to be honest. I think I bought something off Etsy and someone sent it with that. And this my friend gave to me. This first order is from Witch and Crow. Super cute little sticker here. Honestly, these are all packaged really well because none of them are bent, which is a miracle, right? Oh, and I also got this off of Etsy. All of the Etsy shops that I buy from, if you go in my link tree, there's a link that shows all of the ones that I like. I wasn't sure if this one would fit and I thought it was gonna be too big, but I just liked it anyway. I think it's cute. Oh, and they gave me a little alcohol prep pad for it. That's so nice. This one is from Western Dawn Gift Company. Oh wait, no, I know what this is. This isn't a sticker for my iPad, this is a sticker for the car. Passenger Princess sticker for the passenger mirror for Vox, because he is the passenger princess. This last one is from Periwinkle in Violet. Oh, they sent me an extra one. They sent me so many extras. That's so nice. These are the ones I ordered. I ordered this, I keep my side of the street clean. And then I ordered this childless cat lady one. And they sent me another one, a small version. And then they sent me this, the cat paws each have the Eras Tour bracelets, like each album bracelets on. So it's very cute and it's tiny, so that's perfect. I actually needed some filler ones. That was kind of one of my things that I needed. This sticker is from Darling Doe Designs. It's just this little axolotl. It is from Wandering Bird. Here's the last sticker. So cute. And then I also forgot that I had these. I found them. I got them in a kids meal at Arby's like a long time ago. And there's so many cute ones on here for like fillers. So I'm gonna start working on that now. magnets I made. This Mario Kart sticker. Mario sticker. Tobes. And the Pink Pony Club. And I'm pretty happy with them. Oh wait, and this one.
Several days later.
I kind of last minute decided I was gonna host a Friendsgiving, so let's swap the house from Halloween to Friendsgiving.
That would be easier. It's got a juicy warm.
We're not very well educated.
Do whatever you want. And how could you turn off the theater light? What about for the net?
That one candle.
Like, I don't think there's blood. He's such an idiot. He's probably got a little eye.
Oh my god, it's kind of crooked. Like the front, fuck, I gotta fix it.